wig lover, this is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a review of Flutter by Gabor in the color GL4, also known as dark chocolate. Now, as I've discussed in other wig reviews I've done, the name on this one's kind of crazy because it's not really that dark. It's kind of like just a chocolate brown. It's a very lovely color. And in fact, it's not even all that chocolate because there's not much in the way of like really super warm tones in it. It's basically just a really nice medium brown. But anyhow, this is the second time I've tried to review Flutter, and yes, I'm in a bathroom. It's been raining all day, so I figured let's bring the show indoors. And the lighting in here just happened to be really, really accurate, so I'm rolling with it. Anyhow, this is the second time I've tried to review Flutter. I got Flutter initially in a really light color, and I was not particularly psyched about how it looked because on me, I looked like Paula Deen with a big fluffy cotton ball on my head. It was not really great, and I didn't think it did a great job of showcasing what the wig actually looked like. So I decided to get her in a darker color. And I gotta say, I am pleasantly surprised. I think this wig looks kind of just like the product photos, if you ask me. It looks really like the product photos. I mean, it's got a lot of volume, but you kind of get that from the product photos, right? That it's a voluminous wig. It's got a lot of curly texture, but I swear to you, I didn't do anything to this wig. I did not comb it, I didn't brush it, and yeah, I say that in every video, but in this particular case, I literally did nothing. Like, the bangs went immediately into place. I didn't have to fuss with them. Like, I can even like straighten them out a little bit more if I wanted to. I could fluff this up a little bit more, play with the texture a bit if I wanted to, but when I started this video, did not have to do anything. I just put it on, adjusted the ear tabs, made sure they're in the right place, and she just looked like that. She looked just like the product photos immediately. So even though I have a disclaimer on all of my Gabor listings saying these wigs have been highly stylized, and you gotta kind of keep that in mind, I think Flutter's kind of the exception. She looks just as quirky and crazy and voluminous and kind of like Liz Taylor hair a little bit. You know what I mean? Like, it's got a lot of body going on, but it's still really fun and quirky. It's kind of neat. It's like, I know in the dark colors this is like borderline Robert Smith hair, sort of. But I don't mind. I kind of dig it. I think it's kind of fun. I like the bang. Go ahead and do a 360 for you so you can see what Flutter looks like on all sides. This should have like texture in capital letters, bold font, texture, flashing or something, like a really good GIF, what else, like on the product description, because it's just got so much texture and body, and it's just a very interesting wig. Take this one off now so I can show you the cap construction. And just for the record, this one fits me a little bit more snugly than some of the other Gabor wigs that I've tried, but it's not uncomfortable. It still fits relatively well, and I'm fairly confident that because of the machine-made components of this cap, that if I wore it around a little bit, it would probably stretch out. I can see those colors here. You can see you get a little bit of that medium brown on top of the slightly darker brown. Very pretty, natural looking color. This is a completely machine-made cap. Got a generous band of felt at the front hairline. That's so that if you have an intact hairline, the hair doesn't slip and slide around. It'll kind of catch there, kind of like a built-in wig grip a little bit. She's open on the top, has permatease everywhere on the top of this wig. Open sides, open back. Does not have an extended nape because the nape's so short. Does have Velcro adjusters and a little bit of felt back there. Let me show you the cap top so you can see all that permatease going on in here. You can kind of see it in here. Hello, all that permatease. But I mean, with a wig that's got this much curl and body, it's kind of appropriate. It really does sort of enhance the style. Let me go ahead and put Flutter back on for you now, and then we'll talk some specs. The front on Flutter is the bang here, and it's 4 inches. And I'll show you how easy this was, because check this out. Like, it just goes right where it's supposed to go. That's kind of fun. The crown down is 6.5, the sides are 6.5, the nape is just 2. So you want to check it before you step outside to make sure it's not tucked under the wig. And then the back is 6.5, so basically from the top to the bottom. So cute wig. Flutter is really intriguing. It's less than 3 ounces, so really lightweight cap. And this is a very quirky, intriguing, very effervescent and voluminous, with a capital voluminous, shake and go kind of style. So if you're into something like that and you like curls and you like quirkiness and you know you like all of the above, then Flutter is definitely a nice one to try. But this could easily be overwhelming for somebody who does not like a lot of volume. So just want to throw that out there. Flutter, average cap size in GL4 I'm Heather, I'm from CysterWigs.com, that's CysterWigs.com. Thank you so much for watching my wig reviews. Hopefully you like what we do. You know, maybe next time it won't be in a bathroom, but as I've been saying in all the reviews I've made today, I'm bringing the 90s back. All this hair seems like 90s hair, and you know, the bathroom thing is very 90s, so I'm running with it with my celestial stuff. It's very thematic, very mid-90s too, you know, themes, we like them. So join me on my thematic journey of hair glory at CysterWigs.com.